Meena Dogra is here and I am going to teach science of class 3rd. Our first chapter is living and non-living things. Students, you know, living things mean having life. All living things have life. The things which we have life is called living things. Living things, you see this picture, human beings, all plants, cow, man, this is the living things. Chair, you know beta, chair, table, books, walls and buildings are non-living things. All living things show certain common features. Living things are made up of cell. Living things need food and water to stay alive. Living things breathe either in air or in water. Nose, skin, lungs and gills are the breathing organs. Living things can move on their own. Limbs and wings are the organs of movement. Living things can sense objects. They can respond to these sense. Living things grow in size. You know, babies grow into a become adults. Young plants grow into adult plants. Living things can give birth or reproduce their young ones. Animals produce animals babies. Plants provide seed that grow into new plant. Students, you know, we get egg from chicken, milk from cow, vegetables and fruit from plants. Example, peas, beans, apples, oranges, etc. All these are living things. Honey from honeybee, cooking oil from vegetables, fruits, flowers and nuts. Example, almond oil, peanut oil, vegetable oil. Many non-living things are obtained by living things. Wool and fur from sheep. Do you know sheep is living things and wool is non. Wood from trees. Do you know tree is living things and wood is non-living things. Perfume from flowers. So flowers is living things and perfume. Medicine from trees. Silk from silkworm. Silkworm is living things. Cotton from cotton plants, rubber from rubber plants, leather from animal skin. So here are some difference of living things and non-living things. So all of you know the living things can move on their own, but non-living things cannot move. Number two, living things need food. Non-living things do not need food. Living things grow. Non-living things do not grow. Living things breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things have feelings and emotions. Non-living things do not feel. Living things die. Non-living things do not die. Living things reproduce. Non-living things do not reproduce. So that's all our chapter. Tick the correct answers. 1. Which of the following needs food to grow? The correct answer is bird. Number 2. Nose, lungs, gills, skin or air holes are organs of. The correct answer is breathing. Number 3. Which of the following does not show growth? The correct answer is rest in the store. 4. Which of the following is not a natural things? The correct answer is car. 5. A man made non-living things. Among these is. The correct answer is bridge. Fill in the gaps with the appropriate letters. Living things. Number 1. King of the forest. The correct answer is lion. Number 2. Name of bird. Vulture. Number 3. Name of a big plant. Neem. 4. Name of an animal that gives us milk. Goat. Name of French animal. Tiger. Name of domestic animal. Horse. Non-living things. Number 1. When water freeze. Ice. A vehicle. Van. House of the Eskimos. Igloo. Something to write with. pencil. A temporary house, tent. That we put on our head, hat. That is filled in pen, ink. Here is true false. Number 1, an aeroplane can fly, so it is a living thing. No, this is false. Number 2, you keep growing and changing all the time. True. Number 3, all non-living things are man-made. False. Fish breathe through gills. This is true. Animals can move from one place to another, but plants are fixed at one place. True. Number 6, plants breathe through nose and animals through pods. False. Number 7, a lion moves about in search of food and water. True. Number 8, all living things grow old and die. True. Number 9, a stone kept in a closed jar dies after some time. False. A seed grows into a small plant. True. Tick the correct answer. A mango tree is a living object. Number 2, sun is a non-living object. Number 3, cat can move on its own. Number 4, fish need food to grow. Number 5, pencil is an artificial object. Here is match the following. Number 1, living things die. A child grows into an adult man. Number 3, all animals are living things. A lioness gives birth to a cub. A young once of a cow is called a calf. Fill in the blanks. 1, food gives us energy to do work and to grow. Number 2, non-living things do not need food to live. Number 3, humans breathe through their lungs. 4, snakes use their bodies to crawl. Number 5, a cat gives birth to a kitten. Unscramble the following. 1, unnatural non-living things that shine at night. Moon. The correct answer is moon. Number 2, a man made non-living things with 2 hands. The correct answer is clock. Unnatural non-living things that gives its energy to all living beings. The correct answer is sun. 4, a living being that gives life to all by giving oxygen, plant. 5, a non-living things with 4 legs, chair. The question answers of this chapter. Question number 1. Why do living things need food and water? The answer, living things need food and water to stay alive. Number 2, living things grow in size. Give 2 examples. Number 1, babies grow to become adult. Number 2, young plants grow into adult plant. Question number 3, what are the organs of breathing in living things? Answer, nose, skin, lungs and gills are the breathing organs. Question number 4, what are the organs of movement in living things? The answer is, limbs and wings are the organs of movement. Question number 5, how do plants produce their young ones? The answer, plants produce seeds that grow into new plants. Question number 6, write any 4 special features of living things. The answer, 4 features of living things are: number 1, living things need food. Number 2, living things breathe. Number 3, living things can move. Number 4, living things can sense. Question number 7, write some points of difference between living things and non-living things. The answer is living things and non-living things. Number 1, living things need food. Non-living things do not need food. Number 2, living things grow. non-living things do not grow. Number 3, living things breathe, non-living things do not breathe. Number 4, living things die, non-living things do not die. So that's all. All of you learn question answers and exercise at home and write your exercise and question answers. All of you, thank you. Bye.